Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys this campaign one book. Oh my god, we are finally with the one book. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys if you the cream, the regimen. I believe that's a box that it comes in. It's a platinum annual regimen set that comes in a box. So you're gonna get those in the box. Also, don't forget the minerals. And this is in campaign one, guys. Campaign one. See, you're going to get a few of the minerals here. You can look it up in the book. Or if I can bring it closer, you guys can take a closer look at it if the camera would focus. Okay. You'll be able to see what's which ones you want and which ones you don't want. And then it's the neutral effects cream. Don't forget the A box. I know I've presented that in another video that I made. The A box that comes with everything in it. Take advantage of that, guys, because it's a $40 value. Party ready, only $10 with any $40 purchase. So yeah, you get all this with any $40 purchase. You get it for $10, I believe. This is in campaign one, if it did not pass already. And also, we got jewelry for those jewelry lovers out there. Because I know I'm not a fan of jewelry, so I don't like jewelry too much. And we even got clothes. You guys want to look into clothes, you can do that too. I'm going to probably make a slideshow of my books so you guys can take a better look at it. Here we go. That's another one. It's a pretty perfume. And yeah, they have new ones. And then here goes your sets, your box set, gift sets, or if you want to give it to, buy it and give it to someone as a gift, you can do that. Then you have your little jewelry thingies. Last with tea gifts. Yeah, campaign one, guys. Want to look into this book? You can. And also, I did present really quick, guys. I ordered this customer order forms and callback notes that you can put in each of your brochures. Um, I usually put this after I do their orders, and I put it in. I do their orders, and then I put it in their bag for them. They'll look at it and they'll read it and be like, okay, fine. But um, attach this form to every brochure before you dispute them. Make sure to include extra forms so customers can pass them on to a friend who don't currently have an Avon representative. So you can put a whole book in there if you want, or you can just put like maybe 4 or 5 sheets in there to them and have them make an order and then they bring it back to you or whatever. But I usually do the order and then I do the customer's order, or they could just do it themselves and then they give it back to you when they're done. Or you could just put in their order yourself and then when they're done you can still give them the sheet. So either way, you can still do it. Um, I still have, there's still 75%. Okay. 75 cents. I thought it might have went up, but I think it did because it was 50 cents last time. Okay, right now it's 75 cents. So it's in the book. It's in this little catalog. It says 75 cents. But this is good to put in their brochures when you pass them out. You can either put them in a baggie. I know in one of my videos I showed it that I put it in a bag. But yeah, that's good to have. These are good to have because they already have notes on them. So I order that a lot instead of this here. I ordered this, guys. This is very handy. Very, very handy, guys. This is your own little case that I ordered from Avon. Very handy because then you have it comes with this and it comes with the pen. Okay. I ordered three of these. I ordered three of these and these are very handy because you have your pen here and then you can make your your order here, put in the customer's order, whichever, and then just use the pen and you could just slide the books, slide your payment books in this thing and you can just reuse it. And then right here you could just put what the campaign is, what campaign you're on, right here in these little white boxes. You can put what campaign you're on so you don't get them mixed up and just it's handy. I mean, I love it. You could I actually have three of these and I got two books in each one. This is very useful because then you don't have it scattered everywhere and it's not thrown, it's in the case, it's protected. You don't have to worry about it bending or something spilling on it. You can go ahead and fold it, take your pen, and start doing your order. Very, very, very useful. And I love it. I love it because it's where I can find it because it's got the Avon logo on it and it's where I can find it. So this is another handy tool I've also got in the Avon tools. So that's another one you guys might want to look into and find. But that's also another one that you can look into. But it's totally awesome. And like I said about the outlets, this is another outlet. It has the cream. Everything is in here. Really quick. A bunch of creams. Outlet books, they only come unless Avon brings them back. Once they go, they go. But Avon sometimes they do bring them back. Sometimes they don't bring them back. So make sure you guys grab your outlets, go through them, make your orders, so you don't miss out on any of the products that was in the big book. You can get them from here. Also, yeah. So you guys don't miss out on any of your brochure books. Once you have them, you have them and then you don't have to worry about it any longer. So I also have this pen that Avon has sent me too. See how cute that is? It's actually a pen. I can pull it out and write. I can write on it. See? And it actually writes. See? Watch, I'll show you. See? It actually writes. I spelled my name there on the top. So yeah, very handy pen. I love it because it has also the logo on it. It says Avon on it. See, and it's a little lipstick. I actually got that from Avon. Didn't even have to. It came in my order, so I was like so happy when I got it. I guess it was like a little gift or something. So that was another one that I've gotten. But other than that, without further ado, hopefully you guys can check out my website at www.youravon.com. Let me see if I can write that out. Then maybe you guys can go and check that out. And oh, let me see if I can write it in this book here, and then I can just show you guys my website. It's www.youravon.com/G Cologne. And if you guys can see that, you know what? I think I need to do that a little bit more better because that looks kind of small. So we're going to go with www.youravon.com/GCOLON. Oh, much better. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, or you can just go to my website and make your order. Or I only have it on delivery only, guys, because I live in the countryside, so I don't have too many people that order from me over here. So I only have it set to delivery only. So make sure you guys know that I'm not going to be bringing it to you or anything. Just have it delivered. If there's any problems with the website that you didn't get your order, make sure you get in contact with me or get in contact with Avon and see what's going on with that. But I only have it set for delivery only. Delivery only. I don't have it set to where I have to bring it to you and come to your door and talk to you. No. It's delivery only. So if you want to order from my store, that's my website. So you guys can go ahead and check that out, and hopefully everything goes well. So Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys on my next video.